Assuming Chiamaka is a law aspirant, is aspiring to study law, and she had 290 in her JAMB exam, and she had A1 in her O-level result in English. Are you planning to apply to UNN? Let me show you how to calculate the aggregate score for UNN. UNN means University of Nigeria. University of Nigeria is located at Nsukka, and Nsukka is located in Enugu State. UNN does not require post-UTME exam. So you need two things to calculate the aggregate score for UNN. You will need your WAEC, your O-level, you need your O-level result, and you also need your JAMB score. So the percentage for JAMB score is 90%, while the percentage for O-level is 10%. Assuming Chiamaka is a law aspirant, is aspiring to study law, and she had 290 in her JAMB exam, and she had A1 in her O-level result in English. CRS, she had B2. Government, she had A1. Literature in English, she had A1. So this is the 4 compulsory subjects that a student aspiring for law would need. Assuming you are aspiring for medical courses, you will need subjects like English, physics, chemistry, and biology. So let me show you how they rank O-level points in UNN. So A1 90, B2 is 80 points, B3 70 points, C4 60 points, C5 50 points, and C6 is 40 points. So that means this A1 will be 90, 90, 90. B2 will be 80 points. And another thing you should take note of in O-level point is that if you are using only one result, you will be given extra 40 marks. If you are using only one O-level result, you'll be given extra 40 points. So assuming this is only the one result Chiamaka is using, that will be plus extra 40 plus extra 40. Make sure you take note of this. So to find the final point for JAMB score, you multiply by 0.9, since the percentage of JAMB score is 90%, and we can also say 290 multiplied by 90 over 100. I hope you got that. And if you cancel, 10 divided by 9 will still give us 0.9. So 290 multiplied by 0.9 will give us 261 points. And one thing you should take note of is, unlike most schools that their screening point or aggregate score is always over 100, UNN own is different. UNN screening point or aggregate score is over 400. You can see that this value is somehow bigger, it's over 400. So 261 points. We are done with JAMB score. So now let's move to calculating O-level. Let's move to calculating O-level results. So let's add it up. 90 plus 80, that's 170. 170 plus 90, that's 260. 260 plus 90, that's 350. 350 plus the extra 40 points, that would be what? That would be 390. So let's find the 10% of 390, because O-level result is 10%. So 390 multiplied by 10 over 100. 0 cancel 0. So 10 divided by 1 will be 0.1. So 390 multiplied by 0.1 will give us 39. So the O-level point will be equals to 39 points. So the next thing is to add it up. 261 plus 39 will give us 300 points. 300 points. So with this, you should be able to calculate the aggregate score or screening point for UNN easily. So if you are aspiring for law, I see Amaka is aspiring for law, this grade, this point is good to go. And if you also want to apply for post-UTME form for other schools, for UNN and other schools, just name it. Just contact the number showing on your screen right now to apply. See you in the next one, and I wish you success in your admission.